मैं ऑडिशन कर रही हूँ. I've put my body through hell. I'm not eating. I'm starving myself. He was taking all these names of all these 90s and 2000s actresses who had like broad nose like this, but they got more botched nose or something like that. An acting agency once told me that Sonal, you can't become a heroine material because you are fat, not because you didn't know how to act or you couldn't bring justice to this particular character, but because you are fat. And the worst part, guys, I actually believed them. I actually thought something is wrong with my body, and I put my body under so much pressure because of that. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Sonali. Hope you all are doing well and also in good health and wealth. Today's story is about something that deeply affected me but also shaped who I am today, because abhi main jo bhi hu, it's all because of some decisions I took back then. The story is not just about body shaming or the dark side of modeling or acting industry or this crazy pressure actors and models have to look a certain way. It's about this time when I hit the rock bottom and I made my way out and I bounced back stronger. So, as I always say, grab your chakna, chips, juice, vodka, whatever you like if you're above 18, and let me get this story started. So, मुझे बचपन से ही acting, modeling, being front of the camera, clicking pictures, talking like that, मुझे वो सब का बहुत शौक था, ठीक है? And when I was in school ना, I used to try my best to participate in all those dramas, dance competitions, any sort of speech जो देना होता था, वो सब मैं बहुत करती थी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत मजा आता था, ठीक है? बट जैसे कि कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गया, आई डिड नॉट गेट टाइम फॉर डांस, फॉर एक्टिंग और एनी अदर थिंग लाइक दैट. सो जब मैंने मेरा एमबीए, ऑलमोस्ट मेरा एमबीए जब कंप्लीट हो रहा था, तभी कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ. एंड द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स ऑफ आवर एमबीए, जब हम लोग हमारा फाइनल एग्जाम देना था एंड द प्लेसमेंट्स फॉर गेटिंग स्टार्टेड, इट वाज मोस्टली ऑनलाइन क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहा था, ठीक है? तो तभी तो थोड़ा और टाइम मुझे मिलता था टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ्स. सो आई वाज लाइक व्हाट, अभी वैसे भी कुछ मंथ्स बाकी है मेरा एमबीए खत्म होने के लिए, तो लेट मी चेक इफ I can kind of get in touch with my acting side again, okay? And unfortunately tabhi COVID hit ho gaya and job market was down, okay? So nobody got job. So I thought, what, like, let me see if I can search for some theaters or something like that, okay? And then मैंने finally मुझे एक theater मिला, and that is Barry John Acting Institute. People who have been following me since my OG days on Instagram, they know that I have done theater from that institute, right? तो मुझे Barry John Acting Institute में I got admission. I started my theater there, and even though it was challenging, it was one of the best experiences of my life. And तभी हमारे coaches हम लोग को बोलते थे कि what, as we are like training you guys for acting or something like that, like start building your portfolio up, start auditioning more, and उससे पहले थोड़े modeling gigs उठाओ, क्योंकि modeling gigs उठाओगे थोड़े बहुत पैसे भी मिल जाएंगे, and you will get some good shots done, head shots, full body shots, poses in different outfits or something like that. So start doing that. And I was really happy कि मेरे को finally I'm getting to do these stuffs. There are photographers, campaign shoots हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, and as I'm talking I will also share my pictures here because it's kind of nostalgic and I want to share it with you guys. But जब मैं ये सब shoots करती थी ना, कोई ना कोई photographer मुझे हमेशा बोलता है कि what babe, if you want to get into the acting industry, if you want to be a model or an actor or something like that, you have to look snatched, you have to look more lean, you have to look very sculpted and everything, and I was like, really? Okay. I was like, fine. So I was like, what, let me start working out and I will lose weight or something like that. So I did that, but obviously because I had PCOS, it was more difficult. Now I know how to balance my weight. I do strength training, I do cardio, I follow this healthy diet kabhi with junk food or something like that. So now I know, but back then I didn't know. And with PCOS मुझे और difficult हो रहा था to lose weight. But then what happened, जब मैं auditions देती थी, I started getting rejected. Okay, कभी मुझे ये नहीं बोलते थे कि oh, you don't look lean or something like that. But सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोलते कि यार तुम heroine material नहीं दिखते हो. And I was like, heroine material मतलब क्या? Okay. And then this one girl told me that darling, I would say that just work on yourself more, look more presentable. And I was like, मैं ऐसे ही गई थी, ऐसे कुछ तो टैंक टॉप पहना था, ऐसे ही मैं ड्रेस अप की थी, थोड़ा बहुत लाइट मेकअप, पैंट, जीन्स or something like that. So I didn't understand that. But then what I realized was that, okay, what, maybe I have to lose more weight, क्योंकि photographers भी वही बोल रहे थे. So I started losing more weight. But this time it was the most unhealthy way, and I do not recommend this to anyone. I used to only have like 2 meals in a day. मैंने carbs को completely cut off कर दिया था, जबकि carbs are important for energy. Okay, people who said stop carbs completely, I do not trust them. Okay, मैंने carbs को completely cut off कर लिया था. मैं मुश्किल से एक दो खाना ही खाती थी, बहुत barely, fruits, all these raw veggies with no salt, basically no lifeless food. Okay, and I lost weight. Okay, like in 2-3 months I went from 70, I was thinking I was somewhere around 72 or something like that, and I went down to 57 kg. So it was like a major kilo drop. Okay, and तभी मुझे remember, मुझे इतना weakness हो रहा था कि मेरी physician ने मुझे बोला था कि सोनाली, तेरा जो ideal body weight as per your height, I'm 5'6", right? तो मेरे height के हिसाब से ideal body weight should be somewhere around 65 or something like that, in the 60s, and this is like really bad. I shouldn't be doing that. And I'm also going to share pictures of those days where I was really looking unhealthy, but people on my face, they were telling me how pretty I'm looking compared to now how I'm looking. I saw people's attitude changing towards me. Okay, they were like, oh my god, you're looking so pretty right now, oh my god, you're looking so lean, look at that jawline girl, look at that hand, this, that. See, everybody wants to lose fat and look healthy. It is fine as long as you're doing it in a healthy way, but what I was doing, it was not healthy. Okay, and I started getting more modeling gigs, so I was so heavily dependent on external validation. मेरे को लगा यार fuck, finally मैं अच्छी दिख रही हूँ, you know, like finally photographers, all these modeling agents, acting agents are like complimenting me, they're telling me I'm looking good or something. तो होगा ना, मतलब मैं अच्छी दिख रही हूँ करके, ठीक है. And मेरा personal life में भी बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. Like I come from an extremely middle class family. My dad is retired and my mom is a banker. I am an only child, and I was not working, okay guys, and to be honest, my parents, again, touch wood, they are the most supportive parents in the world. उन्होंने पता एक भी बार मुझे ये नहीं बोला कि यार जॉब करने की उम्र में ये सब बकचोदी कर रही है. I told them मुझे थिएटर करना है, they were like okay. I told them मुझे ये सब चीज़ करना है, मुझे ये सब चीज़ खरीदना है, outfits, makeup, सब चीज़ के लिए मुझे पैसे दिए उन्होंने, you know. And I could see my parents were struggling with the money because they already paid a heavy amount for my MBA, and टेक्निकली वो MBA का कुछ रिटर्न नहीं आया, कुछ ROI नहीं आया उसमें, ठीक है. एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई एम टेलिंग देम अभी MBA नहीं करना, अभी तो मुझे एक्टिंग करना है. नॉट फॉर वंस दे कंप्लेंट, सैलरी मॉम का मंथ एंड में आता था, डैड का भी जो कुछ पैसे आते थे आफ्टर हिज रिटायरमेंट, दे यूज्ड टू पुट दैट ऑन मी, दे यूज्ड टू गिव मी मनी फॉर एवरीथिंग, एंड I kind of felt guilty, but I thought, सोनाली, बस 1 साल का बात है, एक बार तुझे एक एक्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट मिल गया, लाइफ सेट हो जाएगा, उसके बाद तू तो फेमस हो जाएगी. और ऑब्वियसली आई डिडंट नो द रियलिटी, राइट. बट देन एक मेजर इंसिडेंट हुआ मेरे लाइफ में, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ चेंज माई पर्सपेक्टिव फॉर एवर. ओके, आई मीन ऑब्वियसली देयर वर अदर इंसिडेंट्स दैट वर हैपनिंग व्हिच आई विल आल्सो हाईलाइट, बट दिस वन इंसिडेंट, ऑब्वियसली तो नो टाइटल से समझा ही होगा क्या इंसिडेंट है, बट जो डेप्थ में वो बंदे ने मेरे को बोला, मेरे को ऐसा झटका लगा है लाइफ में दैट this major incident definitely changed my life. But before that, छोटे मोटे incidents होते थे during my audition that kind of made me realize that maybe this industry is not for me. Okay, like for example, कभी कभी जब मैं auditions देने जाती थी to that casting director's office or something like that, मेरा screen test सब होता था, फिर मेरे को बिठाते थे, मेरे को they used to very politely, in a very sweet way, they used to ask me to compromise. They used to be like, like we think you're the perfect fit for this, but maybe आपको थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड मेरे को समझता नहीं था एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा मतलब क्या. एंड देन यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, मैं आपको अपना पर्सनल नंबर देता हूँ, लेट अस गो फॉर अ कप ऑफ कॉफी, आई एम स्टेइंग एट दिस होटल, मे बी यू कैन मीट मी देयर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. 2-3 इंसिडेंट्स के बाद मेरे को समझ में आ गया. 1-2 बार ऐसा हो गया था कि मैं कंप्लीटली फ्रीज हो गई थी, बिकॉज समथिंग लाइक दैट नेवर हैपेंड विद मी बिफोर. ऑब्वियसली आवर कोचेस, आवर गुरुज, दे यूज्ड टू वार्न अस दैट ऐसे सब इंसिडेंट्स होगा, इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द जेंडर, ऐसे सब इंसिडेंट्स होगा, बट यू हैव टू बी मोर केयरफुल. But I think a couple of incidents बाद I kind of started reacting. I used to kind of fight with these directors or agents. Like सीधा मैं गाली दे देती थी कि like बोसड़ी के तू क्या समझता है खुद को, like how can you talk to me like that or something like that. And because of that, obviously that person used to blacklist me, and he used to ensure कि I will never be casted by that agency or by that particular production or whatever, something like that. And जब ये incidents होने लग गए, एक मेरे अंदर आ गया feeling कि यार भाई coming to an industry like this, which you're so passionate about, without having a backup, without having a generational wealth or a godfather, or coming or without having a strong family background, it is extremely difficult. फिर भी मैं ना खुद को मोटिवेट करती थी कि नहीं यार, इतने सारे एक्ट्रेसेस है who came from completely non filmy background and they could make it, तो मैं तो कर ही पाऊंगी करके, ठीक है. तो आई स्टिल यूज्ड टू गिव ऑडिशंस, बट मेरे अंदर वो डर बैठ जाता था, क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसे भी होता था कि दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ये रोल के लिए हमें आपकी ये आउटफिट्स में पिक्चर्स चाहिए, मैं भेजती थी, दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ओके हम अभी आपको वीडियो कॉल करेंगे, एंड देन वीडियो कॉल करके दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ओके आपका फिट चेक करते हैं, लेफ्ट राइट करो, आई शुड डू लेफ्ट राइट, बिकॉज वो तो जरूरी होता है. व्हेन यू डू योर इंट्रोडक्शन आल्सो यू लाइक stand like that, then you do left, then you do right, and then they used to come closer to the mic and so sorry I'm stammering. It's just that I'm trying to be very normal where I'm talking about it, but it is a bit of a dark incident of my life. Okay, so वीडियो कॉल में दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ओके फाइन, अभी आप एक काम करो, थोड़ा आप अपना टॉप ऐसे करो, हमें देखना है कि आप बिकिनी में कैसे दिखते हो, आपका बिकिनी पिक्चर्स भेजो ना, थोड़ा और डीप वाला पिक्चर्स भेजो ना. एंड वहाँ पे भी मैं झगड़ा करती थी. मैं सीधा बोलती कि कि तेरी माँ बहन से भी ऐसा बात करते हैं मादर चोद, लाइक ऐसा तू पूछ रहा है, लाइक आई एम जेन्युइनली हियर सो दैट आई कैन ऑडिशन, आई कैन लाइक गेट दिस फकिंग कैरेक्टर, एंड यू आर टेलिंग मी और ऐसे भेजो वैसे भेजो. कुछ लोग भड़क के मेरे को भी धमकी देते थे कि वी नो योर डिटेल्स, वी नो वेयर यू स्टे, वी नो वेयर यू लिव, वी विल मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट गेट वन सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट. I'm like fuck you, I don't care करके. तो ये सब हो गया था, एंड आई वॉज 40% इन दिस माइंडसेट कि फक यार मैं क्या ही कर रही हूँ, मैं क्यों ही आई हूँ यहाँ पे, मतलब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. अच्छा खासा अभी लॉकडाउन भी सब नॉर्मलाइज हो गया कि जस्ट गो बैक टू डूइंग माई MBA जॉब, व्हाई द फक एम आई स्टिल डूइंग दैट. बट आई थिंक देयर वाज दिस वॉइस इनसाइड मी दैट वाज टेलिंग नहीं सोनाली, ऐसे सब तो इंसिडेंट्स होते रहेंगे लाइफ में, डू नॉट गिव अप. बट फिर मुझे ना मेरे सर का बात याद आया, मेरे थिएटर में जो मेरे कोच थे उन्होंने बोला कि इवन इफ यू कांट मेक इट राइट नाउ दैट डजंट मीन इट्स द एंड और समथिंग लाइक दैट. द प्लान बी दैट यू had in mind, go for that for now and then keep working on your plan A, and one day तेरा plan A तेरा main plan बन जाएगा. And मैं हमेशा वो सोचती थी उसके बारे में, but still I was like what, fuck it, it's okay, जो भी हो गया ठीक है. ये सब इंसिडेंट के बाद ये एक मेन इंसिडेंट हुआ, ठीक है. I got in touch with this agent and he told, what, this is a number, this is from this production house owned by an actor, obviously I can't name. And first मुझे लगा क्या scam हो रहा है मेरे साथ, but it was legit from that production house because मैंने details सब पढ़ा था, and I contacted this person. I told them, hey, I'm reaching out to you via this person, and apparently I've heard that you're looking for this role or something like that, and I would love to send my self-test tape or something like that. He was like, yeah, sure, this is a script, so please send me your self-test tape. मैंने फटाफट यहीं पे मैं करती थी एक्चुअली, लाइट डालती थी, यहीं पे मैं मेरा ऑडिशन का करती थी. मैंने फटफट वो स्क्रिप्ट रिहर्स किया, मैंने फटफट ड्रेसअप किया फॉर दैट कैरेक्टर और मैंने भेज दिया. एंड ही वॉज लाइक, पहले उसने रिप्लाई नहीं किया, and then he called me. Okay, so obviously जब कोई ऐसा कॉल करता है you will think oh my god, maybe I'm selected, इसके लिए मुझे कॉल कर रहा है. Then he called me and he was like, Sonali, could you send me some of your pictures? I was like, what kind of pictures? So he was like, for this particular video that you have sent, your acting is amazing. Like I loved how the way you gave expressions, you molded yourself into that character. But if you could send some pictures so that I can understand how would you look in this particular outfit, it would be amazing. तो कुछ jacket वाले pictures थे, and I think कुछ मेरा एक one piece वाला pictures है in which I'm sitting like that. If I now तो I'm recording, but if I'm able to find those pictures, I will obviously attach it here. मैंने उसको भेज दिया, ठीक है. He saw all those pictures and then he again called me. He called me again and he was like, Sonali, where did you get these photo shoots or these things done? I was like, I was just, kind of building up my portfolio, and all these pictures, all these different outfits are part of all my modeling gigs and everything. And he was just laughing, okay? He was like, Sonali, you're so naive. And I was like, I was like, excuse me. He was like, Sonali, these pictures are definitely from some cheap photographer with a cheap background or something like that. Those pictures were not cheap, okay? Why? I will tell you. मैंने वो जो modeling gig किया था, there were several other models who had done the same kind of gigs, and they had these pictures shared for their auditions, and they had got those auditions for all these Nestle ads and other things. So I was pretty sure that these pictures were professional from professional agencies, professional photographers or something like that. So मुझे समझा नहीं कि वो ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे, but I was pretty sure that he was purposely lying, but मुझे उसका इरादा नहीं समझ रहा था, ठीक है. Then he told me that, Sonali, these pictures, they look very cheap, it does not look professional, and I mean it doesn't make you stand out. I mean I love your acting, I loved your self tape, but I have to forward the pictures also, right? You have to look like an actor, and you're not looking like that. And I was like, bhai, I legit know people जिन्होंने अपने घर के कमरों से पिक्चर्स क्लिक करके एक कास्टिंग एजेंसी को भेजा, एंड दे हैव गॉट कास्टेड. तो मेरे साथ ये बकचोदी क्यों हो रहा है? एम आई stupid to not meet the right kind of people? Why am I meeting the wrong kind of people? ठीक है. So I was like, you know what, these are the pictures that I have for all the different outfits. I've already sent you a self tape. If you are not satisfied with my acting or the way I look, I can come over to your office, and maybe you can, like, I can audition again. Like, I don't mind coming all the way. But he was like, darling, you're not understanding, and it was so annoying. वो कुछ लोग रहते जो purposely वो एक बहुत ही ऐसे टोन में बात करते to put down other people. He was talking like that, and मेरा ना दिमाग का भोसड़ा हो रहा था. I was like, bro, what the fuck, like, and he was like, Sonali, these pictures are not acceptable. I have a photographer. He's gonna charge 4 lakhs per photo shoot. भोसड़ी के तेरा खानदान ने भी इतना पैसा देगा पर फोटो शूट बोल रहा है तू चूतिए. एंड आई वाज लाइक, per photo shoot, and how many pictures for that one photo shoot? 5-7 pictures. 5-7 pictures के लिए मैं 4 लाख दूं? What the fuck? So मैं फिर भी सुन रही थी उसका, and he was like, and he's a very professional photographer, and उसने ना बड़ा बड़ा ढिंगे मारा था, ठीक है, like, उसने ये सेलिब्रिटी का फोटोशूट किया है, वो सेलिब्रिटी का फोटोशूट किया है. You can Google him and you can look him up. He was very good and all that stuff. So I would say maybe just do a couple of photo shoots done, and then maybe you will look more acceptable. I was like, sir, listen, thank you so much for the offer, but I don't think so I'm gonna do that. First of all, I don't have that kind of money to pay 4 lakhs for each photo shoot, and I have whatever photos I have is from all the modeling gigs that I've done. There are other actors who have done the same modeling gigs, and they have gone out of their way, audition, and they have got accepted for those roles, be it serials, movies, ads, web series, or something like that. So I'm pretty sure the pictures may not be a problem. If it is the way I'm looking or the way I'm acting, I'm ready to work on that. And then he's like, Sonali, you know what, I'm done convincing you. I don't think so I can convince you any further. And I was like, you know what, listen, it's okay, you don't have to convince me. I don't have that kind of money. I'm not going to waste that kind of money just because it's not as per your standards. Maybe you can consider some other actress. I'm not interested. Then he got triggered, okay, because I'm pretty sure बहुत लोग आते हैं जो कि मुंबई शहर के होते भी नहीं है, अलग अलग शहर से आके they audition. So many people get scammed, okay, and I was this close to getting scammed before also, where I was locked in for a serial, and they told me that, you know what, you have to pay इतना पैसा, like कुछ 30-40,000 or something like that, because बहुत सारे एक्टर्स लोग फर्स्ट 2 weeks का सीरियल का एपिसोड्स करके भाग जाते हैं. सो जस्ट फॉर एश्योरेंस डिपॉजिट चाहिए. 3 months एक बार आपने कंप्लीट करते हैं, आपको पैसा वापस देंगे. बट लकीली दिस अदर एक्टर हु वाज देयर इन माय थिएटर, ही सेव्ड मी, टेलिंग कि नहीं, उन्होंने स्कैम बहुत लोग के साथ करते करके. सो ये भी मुझे स्कैम ही लग रहा था. बट ये बंदा इतना ट्रिगर हो गया बिकॉज ही वाज लाइक, सोनाली, हाउ डेयर यू टॉक टू मी लाइक दैट, आई एम फ्रॉम दिस रेप्यूटेड एजेंसी. मतलब he was bragging about, how he is part of this big actors agency and how he has casted all these big actresses or something like that. He was like, I'm telling for your own good, but if you don't want to, I don't care. And then उसको उसमें भी satisfaction नहीं मिला. He could have just said this and he could have just ended the call, but he went to the extreme limit. He was like, and anyway, you know what, Sonali, you do not look like a heroine material. अभी तक तो मुझे इतना आदत हो गया, इतने लोग ने मेरे को बोला कि तू heroine material नहीं दिखता है, बोले हाँ चलो whatever. Then he started body shaming me. He was like, first of all, you have such wide hips, and I was like, मैं freeze हो गई. I was like, what? And वो बहुत ही derogatory way में बोल रहा था, guys. I mean, मन कर रहा था उसको पीट दूं, उसको कुछ तो unethically कुछ तो कर दूँ उसके साथ, if you know what I mean. He was like, anyway you have such wide hips, you know, your lower belly is there, you have that belly pouch or pooch, whatever the fuck it's called, and you have these flabby arms, and you know, like you are clearly not working out. I mean, you're not lean enough, you're not skinny enough. There are so many actresses, models who look better than you. I mean, why should I cast you? I was just being generous, you know. And what's up with your cheekbone? That cheekbone is making your cheeks look more bigger and your face look more round, you know. We want a more sculpted look or something like that. And your neck, with that broad neck of yours, forget being casted as a main lead. I mean, then he said that this pear-shaped body is not working for you, Sonali. I do not want to cry on camera. When he said that, I was like, that's why I say insecurities are not born, you know, it just happens like that. And I was like, भाई 1 साल हो गया है मैं ऑडिशन कर रही हूँ. I've put my body through hell. I'm not eating, I'm starving myself. I'm starving and I've gotten like so skinny. I'm not eating anything properly. I'm working out, I'm doing this heavy HIIT workouts and everything like that. इतना गांड मरा रही हूँ मैं खुद का, only to listen to some fucking jerk, some privileged entitled jerk telling me that Sonali, you're not working out enough, you still look so unhealthy, you're not this. And I was like, since when did body shape become this main thing for acting यार? And मैं ना 2 सेकंड के लिए शांति थी, and he just went on, you know, he just went on insulting every part of my body. He was like, you know what, you have to have, you, why do you think so many actresses get surgeries done? He was taking all these names of all these 90s and 2000s actresses who had like broad nose like this, but they got more botched nose or something like that. He's like, your lips is the only thing that can keep you going, because you know, plumpy lips are a trend right now. The minute this trend is over, you're written off. And I was like, how the fuck can somebody say like that, you know? तो मैं 5 मिनट तो मैं फ्रीज ही हो गई थी. बट देन आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, ये भोसड़ी के तो ये तो चूते की तो गांड मारनी पड़ेगी. लाइक आई एम नॉट गोना टेक दिस शिट. ओके, ऑब्वियसली इट वाज नॉट अ गुड कमबैक बिकॉज आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट क्राइंग, बट आई डिडंट वांट हिम टू नो दैट आई वाज क्राइंग. ठीक है, तो आई सीधा टोल्ड हिम कि यू नो व्हाट, थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर ऑल योर derogatory remarks. I mean, it is so good that, you know, somebody with your level of thoughts is actually sitting in that seat, you know, casting all these actors or something like that. Because I pity all these actresses who are auditioning for you, who are like, you know, working for you, or who are working under you, all these casting directors, AD or something like that, because you are clearly not a good person. And I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you because you are such an insecure person that you can't stand others who are confident, and you want to bring them down because you're not happy with yourself, because your parents never loved you, and because you are not happy with your body, your face, your looks, or your life. You want to bring down others by saying such things. You think that you have made some impact by saying such things about me, but you have left a scar in my mind about my body forever. And I'm not gonna you know, take it forward by insulting other people just because you have bought these new insecurities inside me. But I really hope you heal, because you are clearly not a good person. So thank you so much. Please keep your photographer to yourself. I'm not interested in paying like lakhs of rupees and getting all these portfolio bullshit done to get casted in your fucking agency with your fucking actor or something like that. I hope nobody fucking works for you. And मैं काटने वाली थी और मोमो खाने लग गया. You bitch, what the fuck do you think? I'm going to ensure that you're blacklisted. I'm like, you know what, just fuck you. And मैंने कॉल कट किया. And I remember मैं घर पे तभी अकेली थी. My mom and dad had gone out, and I cried so much because I was like, उसके सामने तो मेरे को रोना नहीं था, but अभी तो रो सकती हूँ, right? And I just cried for the next 2 hours. I was just crying. I called my friend and I told him that shit यार भाई क्या हो रहा है, like this person told such things to me, you know. And उससे पहले तुम लोगों को मैंने बोला था, right, that I was this close to giving up acting because of all these casting couch scam situations happening. But now I was like, you know what, I do not want to do acting anymore. I give up. I can't because for a year I auditioned. I don't know, some of you guys will be like, hey, you know, there are people who audition for 10 years. Well, good for them, yaar. Because I can't, I don't want to. Why? Not because this person body shamed me. Obviously, that is one part of it, but because I was tired, guys. I was tired for a lot of reasons. One, because I was wasting my parents' money. They never made me feel like I'm wasting their money, but this is the truth that I'm wasting their money. They paid lakhs for my education, and I have not even got a stable job, and I'm just wasting their money. The only part of this entire thing I'm grateful for is that I did theater, because I think theater changed my life. I met some incredible people there. I did some incredible projects there. But the entire part after that, the modeling part, the all these auditioning, I've met some horrible people, and I think that also contributed to my social anxiety. But I was like, what's the point, Sonali? What's the point of starving yourself, wasting your parents' money, being jobless, not having a stable job, and doing that? So I was like, you know what, Sonali, just get your stable job first. Okay, you have this MBA degree, you can get an amazing job in marketing and advertising, you can earn money, and then first just focus on paying back your loan, the loan that your parents have taken. Pay back your loan, clear your loan, and then think about this. And I was like, yeah, that's a good idea. And I spoke to my parents about it. uh, when I spoke to my parents about it, they were like, you know what, Sonali, whatever you do, we are here to support you, okay? And I was like, you know what, this is my decision. अब ये decision है, कुछ लोग मुझे बोले कि सोनाली इतना जल्दी एक्टिंग से गिव अप मत कर, ऐसे 100 छूते लोग तेरे को हर एक इंडस्ट्री में मिलेगी. अभी अगर तेरे को कॉर्पोरेट इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे लोग मिल गए, विल यू गिव अप योर कॉर्पोरेट जॉब? आई एम लाइक नो, बट आई विल फाइंड अ बेटर जॉब. दे लाइक एग्जैक्टली, तो यू फाइंड बेटर ऑडिशंस. आई एम लाइक नहीं यार, it's not just about that. It's about financial stability, which I'm lacking in my life, okay? And financial independence, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, it's very important for me. My parents, they were willingly giving me money, but after a point, I didn't feel like asking them money for every damn thing, I was like, you know what, it's okay. I think this was a wake-up call for me. This was like a turning point. I was anyway exhausted with all that auditioning process, all the toxic auditioning process. And having said that, I'm not saying the entire industry is bad, because some of my friends, they're working with some amazing casting agencies, and they got some amazing projects or something like that. They even referred me, but by that time I had given up. Okay, so I'm not saying the entire industry is bad. There are some amazing people, amazing artists out there who will find the right talent, and they won't have all these unrealistic, stupid expectations, and they will cast that person for their talent. But I think I don't know, मेरे को हमेशा लगता है कि ना हर एक चीज का एक रीजन होता है. I think भगवान ने पर्पसली मुझे he made me meet such bad people in that industry so that I can realize that I need financial stability and I need to stop asking money from my parents. And with that, with heavy heart, I bid goodbye to my acting and my modeling career. And initially I felt really bad, and then for the next few weeks I was just sitting like that, not working, not doing anything. And then I went back to job hunting. I gave some amazing interviews. I got a job in this company. It was my first company. I learned a lot there, and that's when I was like, you know what, Sonali, do not completely quit acting. Do something on your own terms. And that's when I discovered content creation, and slowly I started gaining traction. I mean, I did not blow up, but in 3 years I have managed to reach 37,000 followers on Instagram and 20k subscribers now on YouTube, touch wood. And now when I get DMs from so many people who love my craft, who love my content, I feel like fuck yeah, like it feels so good when strangers say that, because you get that motivation to do more. Now in my family, I'm the content creator, and some people, not much because I'm not that famous abhi, but sometimes when I just walk on the road or go somewhere, at least occasionally तो ऐसा होता है कि कोई बोलते कि अरे I watched your YouTube video, I watched that story time video, अरे I've seen you on Instagram, I follow you. अच्छा लगता है यार. I'm like चल ठीक है, एक्टर तो नहीं बन पाई, बट क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. As the golden words of Om Prakash Makhija, he said this, and I was like पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. Now I'm able to manage my family life, my job, take my parents on trips for dinners. I could pay off my loan. I am doing content side by side. And the day when I become a full-time creator, if not auditions, I will definitely go back to theaters, because theater is the love of my life. Okay, like every acting skit that I've done there, every project, whichever character I've played there, I've learned so much. I was so connected to those stories. I'm like, if nothing else, I will definitely do theater, because that was one of the most healthiest environment I've been in. And when it comes to my body, the minute I stopped auditioning, I went back to eating a lot because I was starving for a year, right? Obviously, I gained some weight back, but it was healthy weight. And then I started gym, and you know, 2 साल से gym कर रही हूँ. Maybe अभी मेरा body model type fit नहीं है, but it's still very healthy. It's still very beautiful, and most importantly, it's my body that I love. And yeah, that was my story of how an agency called me fat and my life changed, and it changed for the best, I feel. So yeah, thank you so much for listening. If you watched till here, I hope it was not very lengthy. I tried to make it as short as I could, but एक बार मैं बोलने लगती हूँ तुम लोगों के साथ, तुम लोगों को पता ही है, मैं पूरा अपना दुखड़ा उखड़ा शेयर कर लेती हूँ. And if you have a story similar to this or something worse, please share in the comments. I always say this comment section is a safe space where we all can talk and give each other virtual puppies and jhappies. And in no way I'm trying to scare you guys. If you are an aspiring actor or if you're an aspiring model, please do that. But if you come from a middle class background like mine, I would say have a stable job and then keep auditioning. All the best. I hope you make it in this industry, and if you do, remember to give me party. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.